This is the unboxing for my girls Windy Day, and this is the prepackaged album. The photo card is not here because it's already in my binder. I bought it, I think, when it came out, but I really wanted to do an unboxing of my albums. So this is the front. I really like this album, and I really want to get, I think, the closer. I did order it from Korean Mall, and I hope they will have it in stock, because I was kinda disappointed with sometimes they do write they have stuff in stock, but then they are not in stock. It's sometimes good to get stuff because they arrive safely and the shipping is free, but sometimes most of the stuff are out of stock, so it's kind of disappointing. So I got this album, and I really want to get it is their package, the other one, and I hope the closer will arrive. So this is the CD. Look like this. The newest one, I think I love the most. The summer one, Summer Special. I got haircut. I'm sorry, I still don't know names of many groups, especially girl groups, because I really like their music, but it's kind of hard and I don't have enough time to learn more about them. It's like the little time I have, I just spend it on weeks. But then I try to get more time for this one, because I really like haircut Polaroid from the concert, and I really want to get one. I saw eBay have them, and I really like them a lot. They look really cool. And the pictures here are really pretty. Hair too. Hair, and the other one, I think, I don't remember the names, but I do remember the face. I like these kind of pictures. I always tell group pictures are really good. I don't know why people hate group photo cards. Sometimes I just prefer to get a group photo card for a group that I don't collect photo cards, because this way I just have everyone, so it's way better. And I think of uploading for now my albums, because I really didn't show many of them, because when I was getting them I didn't have time to unbox them. So pretty. I really like to look at stuff more than once. So these are the songs, and that's it for this one. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.